How to use Bing Chat on your mobile devices, iOS and Android. In this video, I will guide you to the entire process of how you can use Bing Chat on your mobile phone. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly you need to download the Bing Chat application from Google Play. After that, open the application and sign in into your Microsoft account. Now you will only be able to use Bing Chat on your mobile device if you have the access from Microsoft to use it. For that, you need to follow certain simple steps to get access to use Bing Chat on your mobile device. After gaining access to use Bing Chat on your phone, you can keep it as widget on your mobile device to use its feature easily. And that's it. That is how you can use Bing Chat on your mobile phone. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.